Today I thought I'd share a little bit of information about modified atmosphere packaging. Modified atmosphere packaging, or MAP, is a commonly used type of technology that helps extend the shelf life of foods by modifying the composition of the internal atmosphere within the package made of various combinations of film. In other words, MAP can reduce food spoilage by altering the types of gas inside of a package that is made from different types of plastic. The Food and Drug Administration categorizes MAP as either passive or active. Passive MAP involves sealing a food inside a package with a gas-permeable film that allows the desired concentration of gas to develop naturally as the food respires and releases gas that passes through the film. This MAP method may be used with fresh fruits and vegetables, for example. Active MAP involves sealing a food inside a package whose internal atmosphere has been removed and replaced with a desired mixture of gases. This may be accomplished through the use of a number of active systems, including gas flushing, oxygen and carbon dioxide scavengers, and moisture absorbers. This MAP method may be used with fresh meat, for example. Factors such as the type of product, the packaging material, and the storage temperature can determine which mixture of gases and films are used in a particular modified atmosphere and its associated packaging. Gases that may be used to modify the atmosphere within a package include oxygen, carbon monoxide, carbon dioxide, and nitrogen. Gases such as helium, argon, and xenon may be used in place of nitrogen. Barrier packaging films that may be used to control the gases within a modified atmosphere package include low-density polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, or polypropylene. It's important to note that MAP must be used along with proper refrigeration to prevent the growth of spoilage microorganisms and pathogens. So just a little bit of information about modified atmosphere packaging. For more information, please visit sunup.okstate.edu or food.okstate.edu.